that going to come off in one piece?
I hope so.
What kind of bees are those, Dennis?
There's so many new bee
Yeah.
growers. They got carnelians, and they're getting bees from Russia and Australia.
Oh.
But most, these would be called feral bees,
Uh-huh.
and more than likely they're Italians.
That figures.
And they're my favorite bees.
How appropriate.
Huh?
No, because I'm of Italian descent.
Oh, you're Italian too?
Yeah.
What's your last name?
Betty. B-E-T-T-I.
Well, I know about all the Italians in this valley. But most all of them got to end in an I, you know.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what I am. I know I'm part of, maybe eighth of Osage Indian out of the south.
Ah.
And my mom always told me I was Scots, Irish, and Dutch. And Indian.
An Indian too, huh?
Huh?
An Indian.
Yeah, Osage. Yeah, they're out of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri.
Oh, okay. You been here a long time?
Born and raised here.
I'm from Elko.
Oh, are you really?
Yeah.
Oh.
She's not Italian, though.
I'm a Gallagher.
You're what?
Gallagher.
Gallagher?
Mm-hmm.
You got any relation to the Gallagher feedlots in Fallon?
Yeah, those are all my cousins.
Are they really? Wow. You live on a ranch up there?
No, we lived in town.
Oh.
My cousin though has still has a huge ranch out at Lamoille.
Gallagher Ford out there.
My grandfather was a town dentist.
Was it what?
Town dentist.
Town dentist?
Uh-huh.
Gallagher?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
And then stain your wall up a little bit. You know, I don't know.
That's what I was going to ask you.
What is beeswax is a horrible thing. Don't ever get it in your sink, because it'll, if you got hot water, it'll plug up real quick.
Okay.
Well, I have a power washer.
That would probably do it.
Yeah.
With hot water, huh?
Cold water.
Cold water?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
I guess it's like chewing gum, I guess.
Yeah, you don't want to melt it or get it anywhere soft, because then it gets ugly. But cold water, it's brittle.
Yeah.
It'll just break off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you got a big old hole right up in the top of this last rock.
Yeah. Should I plug that up?
Yeah, if you don't... There they go. There they are.
You don't have to stand there long.
Well, yeah.
Can't tell if that's more comb or if it's the insulation up in here.
Well, it has that fuzzy, almost like cotton in there.
Yeah, they blow in.
Yeah.
can't see back in there. No, that's your... Lord only knows which way they go.
Yeah. How's it look? How's it smell?
You know, I've gotten a lot of these out of buildings, and I don't know what it is. It has a different smell to it.
Yeah.
Than, you know, your flowered honey like alfalfa and clover and stuff. Yeah, it's a pretty honey. It's real light, but it's I don't know what it is. It has a different, altogether different smell. I'm gonna set this over here. There's some bees in there.
Wow.
You know, it's oops. Get that on your pavers here. You'll never get it off.
Yeah.
But you know, it's see, these here have been out. See, you can see the bees down in the cell.
Right.
The dead bees. Well, they may have starved to death. That's what they look like. You know, they were out and didn't have a supply of honey in there, and then they burrowed down in there, and then they just starved to death.
It was a tough winter here.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, I don't see any. No, there wouldn't be here. Fine